As a yard drainage contractor, one of the first things we want to manage is your rooftop water. There's hundreds, if not thousands of gallons of water coming off the roof. This downspout just poured onto a splash block, and it's just too level up here. The water was just pooling around the house. We have another downspout right here. Same thing, it was just ran out 10 feet. It was just pooling. And it's on a long gutter trough run as well, so it's thousands of gallons per rain event. What we went ahead and did is we took the pop-up emitters and we brought them 30 feet. Behind that air conditioner is a downspout. We ran it 30 feet. Why did we come out so far? Well, not only do we want the water away from the house, but we took this pop-up emitter to a point to where the top of it is actually below the bottom of the trench up there. So this could never ever hold water, which is going to reduce problems in the wintertime where downspouts freeze up. For a yard drainage contractor in Rochester Hills, Michigan, give us a call.